In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through an alternating kettlebell floor press. So firstly here, I've got two kettlebells either side of my body. I've got a mat for general comfort. You don't have to use one. You could also use a pillow for your head if you wanted to, but I'm not going to during this exercise. Now, annoyingly, in my office, I've got two different sizes of kettlebell here that I'm demonstrating with. I know they're different sizes, of course, use the same weight when you're doing this. What I want you to do is I want you to bring yourself into an upright seated position. You're going to bring your hand, underhand grip, into both the kettlebells. And because we're going to be doing alternating floor presses here with the kettlebell, what I want you to do is bring the kettlebells nice and close to your body. You're going to come back and rotate the kettlebells in a position where they're on the backs of your hands. So backs of the forearms. From here, I'm now going to bring one kettlebell up and above my shoulder, back down. The next kettlebell comes up and above my shoulder. As I'm doing each repetition, you can decide to do them like I'm doing, or alternatively, you can decide to have both the kettlebells up and do your alternating repetitions from top to bottom. So that would be a second variation you could do. The main muscle's still the same, it's still the tricep as you're extending the elbow. Or you can decide to bring one side down and you can bring one side up at the same time, like so. Once you're done, bring yourself into this position. Don't put the kettlebells down. And what I want you to do is then rock yourself forwards and then bring the kettlebells down. So what we don't want to do in this position is an awkward external rotation of the shoulder, especially with heavy weights. You'll then put stress on those external rotators and open up the front of the shoulder. So what I want you to do is crunch up and then put the weights down. You would repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how to do alternating floor presses with kettlebells.